think it's probably a role that is overlooked sometimes and definitely underestimated in healthcare. But if the last 2.5 years have shown anything, it's that cleaners and people that are willing to turn up every day and face the pandemic and to face these types of cleans, they're definitely the ones that you want to keep here. You want to look after their well-being. And if iClean and digital solutions can do that, then that's something that all sites should be looking at doing.
I believe my job is important because obviously you work at a hospital. I'm a cleaner. You have to keep the rooms clean, especially with a patient that has no immune system. That's why my job is important. I love my job. That's why I take it very seriously.
I think the cleaners now know that they can make a difference. They know the absolute importance of it. That's the bit that makes it all worthwhile.
My role is important because as a cleaner, we clean germs that cannot be seen by our naked eyes. So we have to be thorough because the people that are coming in, they've not yet developed their immune system. We are like the soldiers on the door preventing diseases to get to those kids. And that is why I love my job.
It's one of the most important jobs. You see nurses around, you see the job they do. I think we need to let the cleaners know that their job is as important and as essential to the residents. They're the staff that have got the opportunity to come in and make a difference in a resident's day.